Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to create and embed a Facebook feed on a Wix website using Mirror app, so you can add fresh content to your site in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Create your widget. Start by opening the Mirror app website. Sign up or log in if you already have an account. Choose Facebook feed from the widget options. Step 2. Customize the design. Select the source you want to connect and go to the Design section to edit what you want to display on your website. Once your feed is connected, you can customize how it looks. Adjust the layout, card style, spacing, and other design settings to match your website. When everything looks right, click the Publish button and copy the installation code in just one click. Step 3. Add it to Wix. Option 1. Add it to one page. Log into your Wix account and open the editor for the website where you want to add the widget. In the left side menu, click Add Elements. Then open Embed Code and choose Embed HTML. Paste the installation code from Mirror app and click Apply. Adjust the widget size and position if needed, then publish your website. Done! Your Facebook feed should now appear on that page. Option 2. Add it to all pages or selected pages. If you want to display the widget across multiple pages, go to your Wix site dashboard and open Settings, then go to Custom Code under Development and Integrations, and click Add Custom Code. Paste the installation code from Mirror app into the code field and give it a name. Please note, in some Wix layouts, you may need to add spacing above the widget or increase the section height to prevent the header from being cut off. After that, choose where you want the code to load, on all pages or on specific pages only. Then choose the placement location and apply the changes. That's it! Your widget will now appear according to the page settings you selected. For more information, visit our Help Center and explore the links in the description.